how to give a seller, a home seller, the illusion of getting a discount with your commission. There may be some sellers that will ask you that. Can you give me a discount? The 2.5 or the 3% sounds high. And they may either have thought about that, or maybe a friend or someone told them, just ask, I've asked. They may say yes or no. However, there are two things you want to do to handle those. These are words that will change people's minds. This is part of my conversational selling method, my NLP neuroscience program. And first you say with conviction and confidence, no, not aggressively, not defending yourself. Just say, no, I have a team. It's not just me. And the team could be your photographer, could be someone that does staging for you, that you pay, possibly. Depends on if the client's gonna do the staging and pay for that, but at least you have a photographer, possibly. I have a team, and even you have a broker that also is getting part of the commission, possibly, depending on the company and your structure. So you do have a team, and some people and part of your team are not paid by you, the escrow officer or a loan agent or someone that does appraising. So you can say, yes, I have a team, or meaning, no, I cannot give you a discount because it's more than me, I have a team. Now you then transition into, however, what I can do to give you a discount is, if I bring my own buyer to see your house, to buy your house, and they buy the house, I will only charge you 5% instead of what we agreed on, the 2.5% for the buyer. So only if I bring in the buyer, not if anyone else brings a buyer, only if I bring the buyer in, I will only charge you 5%. So that will then give them the illusion or the feeling that, wow, they're going to get a discount. And ideally, hopefully, they'll say, well, bring in your buyers. That sounds great. Now you have that door open where you can bring in buyers and show the home to feel confident that you're doing it authentically because they have the approval. So give them the illusion. And this is just part of my conversational selling method. These are words that can change people's minds. There's much more in regards to body motion, voice, reading people, questions to ask, really understanding their motivation, the emotional drivers, their neurocoding. This is just talking about the commission. So have some fun with us. Think about it. You might need to practice, think about what to say and how to say it. However, say it with confidence and with authority.